So these are, is that Mulka's hands?
That's what they're saying, yeah.
Oh, that's freaky. So the handprints of the woman that was eating. Mulka was a man?
Yeah, it's a son.
Oh, so eating like human children. What's up, guys? We just left Esperance, drove just under 4 hours inland to the town of Hyde.
Ling drove an hour and a half.
Is it Hyde? The town? Hyden. But we find ourselves here in the Shire of Condon, staying at the Wave Rock campsite, named after like the primary tourist attraction here, which is of course the Wave Rock, which is conveniently located right next to the campsite. This massive 15-meter high, 100-meter long piece of granite rock that looks like a breaking wave. It's 2.7 billion years old, making it one of the oldest rocks on this planet. So let's go check out Wave Rock. So for 2 adults, it costs $35 to stay here at the Wave Rock campsite, and that includes access to the Wave Rock. So it's definitely a bargain considering the proximity to the walk itself. But if you don't want to stay at the campsite, you could always just come for the day. It's $12 per car, $7 per motorcycle, and you just pay at this trusty little kiosk here. Very Japanese, you know, if you can avoid social interaction, that's the way to go. Down in Esperance, we discovered this new species. Well, they're called march flies. If you look at them, they have this long nose, and that nose will pierce your skin. They literally ripped off bits of skin from Ling's leg.
They bit me through my pants.
So it's not enough to just cover up, you actually have to have thick material on you. You feel it, it's painful, man. Now it's just regular ass annoying Australian flies. That's the main thing.
They honestly like to fly around my head. I had one just now that was like...
Wave Rock! Just like the brochures! Look at that bad boy. Would it be to just take a skateboard and just Tony Hawk that shit, you know? Blunt slide to 5-0 rock and roll, backside 360 indie mute grab to stale fish. That's a big wave. Imagine if this was real. I'll try again. Why did I wear slides?
It's a slide. Duh. It looks like someone, like it was made, someone painted it. No?
Yeah, like a paintbrush, eh? Can you imagine a 15-meter high wave like this dropping in? It would be so sick to have a skateboard, eh? Oh. That's what I was smelling.
Oh, wow.
That's the water catchment area over here.
So, don't use the toilet facilities, okay? Don't piss in here.
Yeah.
It's the source of drinking water.
Hyden Rock is the big rock structure. Wave Rock is just that part of it that looks like a wave. So we are now hiking to the top of Hyde Rock. All the times I said Hyde, replace that with Hyden. I'm gonna sneeze. The sun is setting. For all you photography buffs out here, staying at that campground, and you could just come back, you know, in the morning, midday, afternoon, and then just photograph the wave at different parts of the day. This looks like a cover of a Pink Floyd album or something. We could keep the barbed wire fence in there. OOTD. All right, well, I'm just gonna go take a piss in this water catchment. I'll see you back at the campsite. Yucky. That's rude. And that was Wave Rock. Within a few short minutes, we are back at the campsite. Ling is a bit hungry, so we're gonna hit up the old frigeroo.
Correction, Ling is ravenous.
Didn't really have any lunch today,
I was too busy driving.
Thanks for driving, Ling. Much appreciated. But I think we need to rehydrate and get some eggs in you.
Oh.
Okay, here we go. Some nice cold ones. But this time I actually have a bottle opener on me. I don't have to break any keychains today. Cheers. What's up, guys? We are now the next day from when you last saw us, 8 o'clock in the morning. Had a very restful sleep. We're gonna go check out Wave Rock to see if it looks any different, and then we're gonna check out another rock. That's right, another one called Hippo's Yawn. Come along. Look at Ling's Nigerian outfit. You may have noticed I'm still wearing the same Rick and Morty tie-dye shirt and same gray shorts from yesterday. That's cause I didn't change. Welcome to the camping life.
It's fine to not change, but you sleep in them too.
Yeah, less frequency is required to change them, if you catch my drift.
No, I do not want to catch the drift from your
The drift of my boxers that I haven't changed in 2 days. Sun's hitting it from this side now. Nobody here right now except for us and the freaking flies. Surfing the wave again, boys. Surfing the wave! Onto the other rock, Hippo's Yawn. Once again, highly recommend Wave Rock Caravan Park because they give you a Wi-Fi password, so you do have some connection with the outside world. As soon as we leave any major city, we lose connection. It's not a 4, it's not an H, it's just an X that says you've got 0 signal out here. So the caravan park has connected us with the outside world, and we're able to share photos of our adventures here at Wave Rock because of the Wi-Fi. Wow. This has to be it. This can only be it.
Well, does it look
when
like
it's
a
called
hippo yawning?
Called the Hippo's Yawn. This is definitely it. I don't know how sturdy this granite is, but it's pretty intimidating if you actually go inside.
Oh, and then it's gonna close.
Oh no! Get
Oh,
out.
go quick!
Insert CG sequence where the hippo's mouth closes. Because it feels like it's flimsy, that at any point that mouth will just close on you and you'll be the tourist that they report about in the news. Ling said this looks like a big cornic. They do say that there will come a time where it erodes so much that it will crumble, but it will only happen in like millions of years. And hopefully no one's standing below it at the time, but also who knows?
There might not be humans anymore.
Yeah, where will we be in 1 million years? Remember how yesterday I said we should bring a skateboard to Wave Rock? It would be so sick to have a skateboard, eh? Well, they put up a whole sign here because people have tried it in the past. No trail bikes. That's another thing I didn't consider. Imagine taking a dirt bike up Wave Rock, up the face of the rock. Here at Mulka's cave. That looks like a scary European wasp, so I don't want to get near that. Here we go. Oh, cool. It's like Blair Witch shit right here.
Did you see that one over there? The white one? It looks like the head was like this. Just like folded.
Like that, like a claw.
Yeah.
Sounds like there's stuff buzzing down there though.
Yeah.
We stayed at Wave Rock last night.
Oh,
yeah. Nice campsite.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You see it in pictures, but it's never the same until
That's
you
right,
actually...
yeah.
It's lovely.
Did you do Hippo's Rock?
Yeah,
That's cool too.
That was.
Okay, let's get out of this creepy cave. Get some weird vibes, weird spirits in here. Oh, I gotta stop.
Did you want to go to the wildlife park?
continue the road trip. We've been driving for about an hour now. We are in the town of Corrigan, visiting what appears to be a dog cemetery. Cemetery strictly for mutts, for Max's
Spot.
Yeah, rest in peace.
Fido.
A lot of creativity and love has gone into these tombstones. This dog right here, his name was Freckles. Best guard dog ever. Faithful friend and companion to Margaret and Thomas from 2006 to 2018. In memory of a faithful friend and companion. I didn't put the dog's name here though. This one's very cute. This is the tombstone of Ripley. Love you, where's your ball? And there's the ball. Forever cemented. This one's interesting here. We have two dogs, Toby and Duke. Both died in the month of December 2007, 1 week apart. You know, some humans don't get anything half as nice, but that Jack Forster, what a headstone. Look at that bad boy. We don't have a dog, but if we did have one, this is where I would want to lay him or her to rest in doggy heaven. You were wiping your tears, Ling. You okay?
The wind is blowing in my eyes.